For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiski Times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Al Ahly 0. The semi-final first leg of the CAF Champions League. Before we talk about the video, as to say a thank you, big thank you to Utaima Udon Eric Mlangen. We grew up on Omhlongo, Nola Kasha, because of him. Giving us storytelling in South African, giving us the idea that we can do a lot of things through people like him, even when it goes to Isidingo. Some of his iconic roles that he plays. It is, we become content creators precisely because we see people abafana nabo Joe Mafela or Stumo, and you're like, oh, okay, this guy is acting, and this thing got Stumo is very funny. Abo Velapi, we look at them. Even Abo Lesilo Rula, we look at them and we think, oh, okay, even Nati, we can stand in front of cameras and we can do the things that they're doing. And of course, as content creators, hundreds of millions of views, we become bigger and bigger. But the foundation is that when many of us were 10 years old, 6 years old, we used to watch Umhlongo. Umhlongo was terrifying because he came back from the dead. They buried him. They buried him and all of that. They were trying to betray him and all of that. Those kind of stories, they inspire us to be able to stand in front of cameras. Even yourself, Junior, you acted on Vulavala. There's something on Netflix right now that's playing. We saw you there. It is the inspiration comes from people like Abodon, Eric Mlangen, Unawa. So thank you so much for all the beautiful memories as well. Anyways, as usual with the CAF Champions League, not a lot of goals, but interesting-ish. What did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Justice.
And his crew?
Technical team.
Yes, sir.
Lindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Shane.
Yes, sir.
Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. Grootman, may his soul rest in peace, man. When somebody does, especially when now you get inspired.
Absolutely.
It's doable.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a good word. You see him do it, and you're like, I can do it too.
Yeah. So, actually, point all reason manje lengithashile kakhulu. Grootman may his soul rest in peace to grow up supporting Grootman. And abantu besibheka kibo, and if yenzwa yibo, they are big now, South African icons, and it's doable. So now I think it's inspiring. Yeah, I'm going to the game.
Yesterday we spoke. Sorry to cut you. We spoke about what kind of a game we will see. We're negative most of the time. No one wants to lose. I think today, element loser, but it was a little bit more interesting. Al Ahly beyifuna ukukora. Not committing too many men forward, but they should have scored. And I would say 60-40 Al Ahly should have won the game. The Sundowns now were suspecting what is Cardoso going to do. He plays negative football sometimes. Today, he unleashed them. Go starting lineup, there were different names. And you thought, okay, maybe they want to play. And you saw that first 20 minutes, first 30 minutes of the game. So just on the positive side, we kind of saw a slightly better game, even though the outcome is the same. Sithole 0-0.
Yeah, first it's in complimenting the coach Al Ahly, the coach himself. Came to this game. Tactical was on point. Different Al Ahly last season. Even now, my group stage is different team. Group stages now my knockout stage, different team, the mindset. They've got certain players about 7 Zesayo group stages, I believe me. And also certain players about 7 Zesayo Guama knockout stages. Also those players, even if they are same players, Amani, yes, they are the same. Not much different. In mindset we are changing. Coming to this game, coach, I think Umchito compact, we were compact midfield, okay. I think we're about 3 center back, if not Mr. Big. Lumuntu Lalala is a holding midfield, they become an extra center back. And Sundowns papers will say my pocket. Now Sundowns, I think they ran out of an idea. Still gonna say same thing in Sundowns game. Keeping position. Much better in terms of team sheet to Sundowns. I think the coach was told. So compliment the 3 players at Sundowns, one Mshish. The whole season out. coming to this game without being prepared. Kunalento about the match fitness, the confidence. Ma ungana match fitness, the confidence uzoyithola phi. Shishi hardly lose the ball into this game. We ungene game in as an impact play, game in intensity. Ungayibona mayibukele from far. It's like easy, but Mshishi decision, nama decision bekawenza looking for the ball, dropping. Well done to Mshishi coming from injury. Also, I'm gonna compliment this boy Oprem Diba. He's not been playing regularly. They're killing his confidence. I'm not too sure. A best player of AFCON, left back, can become a left midfield as well. Very comfortable on the ball. Magadlala as a left back, a right wing iba concern guy because uzomaka yena umdiba. Very smart here. You can tell ukuthi Mchita was proper developed by School of Excellence. Also, Libusa, not been playing. Bam sacrifice on Suarez. I think Coach Bonile, him and Flambeck, they saw with this thing as Suarez is not gonna work. I mean, you're playing against Al Ahly. Peggy Taisla. Al Ahly. Yes, sometimes you win this tournament ugly. But the different Al Ahly for me today, they created so many chances compared to Sundowns. Sundowns. They came this side to go to K-Sharp. We're gonna get the away goal.
The away goal, they wanted to get it.
For me, Bebana this thing away goal.
They were unlucky not
yes,
to get it.
Because Gune Pole Shaipal, Manga Peggy runs of the movement of the ball. They're the best special player on the left hand side. This guy Ashu. For me, man of the match. 30 responsibility. You know, with the team, I'm a teammate to simple, basic football. Tactically, we told what to do. He was given a platform and Y7s. Very dangerous player, I'm fit on the left hand side. 2 shot on target first half. Creating so many chances. Coming in, lama different splitting pass. Konenye first half angene phakathi oludlala. So I think Ronwen aphume epalini. Ngoba Ronwen became an extra player from Sundowns. Well done to Coach Al Ahly ngoba the game was open first half. As much as bekadlala low block, but the low block being a plan. There was a plan to score. And he created sometimes in his team.
Even these offside goals, if they were just slightly on, because I think he scored 3 offside goals,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
That's why I'm in my mind I'm thinking they should have won the game just by the away goal.
Yeah. So I think Michel Cardoso in today's game, he line up Aksiyaki. Yes, the guy is not a bad coach. Because something very important. In Sundowns, there's this thing, and like this tendency with the coach, if doesn't win a Champions League, he need to leave because of they invest a lot in players.
I think it's Ivle. We have to talk about that. I think that's a good umqondo omubi lo. There's nothing wrong with there's nothing wrong with ukuba ambitious. But umqondo omubi. That's ingakho Lindo the time besikhuluma ukuthi bahayara uCardoso. Lindo made a statement ukuthi uma ngabe akawini bazomxosha naye. It was coming from that. He didn't say I want him to be fired. He said njengoba sibheke Sundowns kanje banokuxosha abantu ngokungawini Champions League. And I want us to talk about that. Ibuya kuphi le nto? And Shane made a very important point. You were born in 1970 as Sundowns. You only won the Champions League in 2016. You only won it once. Who the hell do you think you are in football to think that every year you're going to win a Champions League? You are not Al Ahly.
There's many teams here. These teams are rich as well. Not only Sundowns, but money.
Nabo Pyramids banemali, Al Ahly banemali.
So they can buy any player that they want now. Bringing them from Europe, they bring Brazilians.
And their striker is Slovakian. Ulindo was checking.
Yes,
the
number 11.
Yeah.
So they've got better facilities, resources now. But pyramids, the list goes on. So not only Bamle Sundowns, also Orlando Pirates, they can challenge.
Absolutely.
So
imagine Pirates is it's such a beautiful story because it's not a lot of money, but ability na ability talent. Exactly. Bafikile ku semi-final. So who the hell do you think you are that you're gonna win? There's nothing wrong with ambition. Mara ucabanga ukuthi ubani wena kumele kuwina wena wedwa.
Now Leonto le number 1 is the philosophy of the team. You putting players under pressure, the philosophy will be killed. That's why Rulan, so that's why Rulan need to leave. You've got a young, promising diamond coach in South African football. South Africa was even benefiting Bafana, who took out the best out of players. He played with a young team. Make him Polish, simple. Because the coach didn't win the Champions League, you get rid of him. You push him to resign.
So this one, if he doesn't win the Champions League, what's going to happen?
For me, somebody brought him. And he's the technical director, which is Flambeck. Simple. I don't think he's going to go. bazoyi-justify. You understand? Njenganamhlanje, I think Flambeck told the coach ukuthi adlalise the lineup le jwayele ukudlala e-Sundowns. Because I don't think Flambeck and also this guy, Ukaruso, they love this lineup now. We back four. Let me talk about the back four. Not the coach per se Ukaruso. Mhlambe the coach wayibona. Mhlambe Dali has been watching Sundowns. Noma uyabukela ama video we Sundowns noma ngabeka he was not following Sundowns. Okanye bathi mabakhuluma na start following. We are Sundowns they play. But the Flambeck guy, if he says, if you play with your lineup and then you lose, and then you pick your box and go. I think in mindset the technical director for me. For me, Gim, if you not win the Champions League, you're leaving. But coach, because coach Mamela is doing exactly what Flambeck wants. Usades will come first up because about Usades. Suarez will play. You understand? He will play Obas. No matter Champions League is not going to leave. But that mindset I think is wrong. For me, it's Ilimazanje everything. Like
because even the next coach. You don't win the Champions League, even if it's a semi-final, which is top 4 in Africa. Nah, they're going to bazomchitha.
Yeah.
So that means you will never have a coach that stays there for 7 years, like Upito. I think it was around 12 years, Upito Musimane as well. Yeah. So you will never have a longevity in coach.
Westpart Pito won the star for them.
Yeah.
He won the star, brought the star for them. He won so many. Who you said the guy brought the foundation. In the Sundowns, abo Themba laba, bona boost. The list goes on, and then somebody will Rulan pick off,
Continue from there.
Continue from there. Mina ngithi Rulan in the West guy. Yabona young team there kumchita. When you look at such thing, a team is struggling even the philosophy. The way they are playing no longer the same. Yes, they've been struggling even Rulan when he was there in the front three. You understand? Even in today's game, coming to Sundowns game, first half they had so many ball position without. Mina ngizoyisho week in and week out, testing if they're not going to change. Playing this guy, Matthews up front. When did he last play his last game? Nkulma is not ready. They're confident. Uyambona noma bambi ball is not confident. He always pick back pass. Noma ngabi 1v1. He hardly open. Angene phakathi. Azithole kuma scoring position. Uyambona they're confident. And you play Shalulile because the guy scored. In terms of the career, singamdeleli. He has achieved through. But sometimes it's very important for you. A technical team now, without Charlie Langegazatin keeping, they must see this guy and put the guy outside. Not in a bad way. The guy is become an extra center back for the opponent to Sundowns. Last week we told about 3 offside. And it frustrates some even teammates who are keeper.
All right, I need to wrap it up with you. Is Sundowns still alive in this game? It's 0-0. Based on how Al Ahly applied themselves. Is it still alive?
Yeah, I mean, actually, they're not going to win the Champions League. This is the end of the road. They're going away. The team about a different team. Al Ahly, the group stages now is too different. Because one technically can play technical something else. And I can tell even the number 11. Nibonile na ikoninte compared to number 22 versus 22 enyinto. But the 11 away, I'm sure in front of his crowd coaching azodlala ngendlela afuna ngayo. He's not going to be concerned. He's not going to be cautious, but he's going to allow players with Melakore. So they're going to beat Sundowns away. For me, Sundowns, the way it looked like they consider, like I said yesterday. Each and every game, no matter they brought whoever. It's Santa. Win back. Well done to me, So, man, nenito ngisayisho enkulu man. Midfield yabo Jaden Adams I know is very special player. Umfana riding mela ilungise. Ngikhuluma nge-midfield yabo Alende. Except the front three. Mkwena, Alende, and also this guy playing far from one another. Today's games,
All right, there you go. Thank you very much. We have another Champions League match playing in the next 30 or so minutes. We'll take a quick breather and then we'll look forward to the next game. This one, it got the 0-0 that we thought it was going to get, but not so bad a match, but still 0-0. We can't sell African football on the basis of 0-0 the semi-final. We're looking forward now to the next one. Again, the suspicion there is that the one team, the visiting team, is not going to want to score. If Pirates doesn't want to score as well, we might have another 0-0. But we are wishing, of course, that that does not happen. It is Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.